How to sign up for Amazon Prime student account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser that you prefer and search for Amazon Prime student. Tap on the first suggestion. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of Amazon Prime student. To sign in or sign up, tap on the sign in option. Now you can tap on the existing email address or just tap on add account. Now you have to enter your email address or your phone number right here in the dialog box and hit the continue bubble. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the login, you can tap on the need help option. Select other issues with sign in if you have not forgotten your password. In here, you will find various of articles with the instructions that you can follow. If not, you can head back from here. Tap on Need Help and go to Forgot Your Password. Enter email or mobile number and it will help you to retrieve your password. Select Customer Support if you want more guidance and assistance with the login or sign up. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.